This is a corner king room at Plaza Real or Placa Real in Barcelona. The DO Placa Reial by Sonder on La Rambla street. You come in and I was pretty surprised to be greeted by this giant room with these huge ceilings. Very tall room, beautiful ceilings. A king corner room. So you have a Juliet balcony here and another Juliet balcony here. Not a full balcony where you can sit outside, but still very nice. And because it's Valentine's Day, they've provided a heart balloon and some lollipops. Very surprised, very nice. We've got our bags in here already, so we just came in though. Very tall room. So obviously a sofa, coffee table, lamps and furniture, bed, bureau table with television and another sort of bench to sit at with snacks. And then there is a closet here with a stocked mini fridge, coffee and tea, complimentary. And then the bathroom is fantastic. The toilet for those who are watching this from the UK. Double sink here. Towel warmers. A full tub if you want to take a bath. A shower with 2 shower heads. So you could take a shower on either side. Again, very tall ceilings. The entire thing is the entire room is the same height. And then here is the toilet itself in its own little room. I think these ceilings might be, I'm 6 foot even, so these are probably 14 feet, I would say. Probably about 14 feet. 14 feet to the top here, maybe, and I'm about maybe 11 or so here in the entranceway. And this is a closet in the entranceway, a giant closet with plenty of space for storage, as well as a more narrow one on the side, shelves and a safe. And so even a bar if you really want to hang sort of a dress or a suit or something. Fantastic. Really impressed by the room. That's it for now. Oh, actually, sorry. I wanted to make sure I show the plaza here. So in this hotel, you're right on the plaza. Some of the reviews are bad because of the noise, because it gets pretty loud with the hustle and bustle. It's a fairly busy tourist area as well. It's our first time here, so we just wanted to be, excuse me, close to everything. So we're used to having a noisy home anyway in the town that we're in. But you can see here, you're right on the plaza. And then on the other side, let's see, does this one open as well? I think so. Yes. And then here you're at one of the, excuse me, entrances to the plaza. And then out to La Rambla. Calle La Rambla. tapas restaurants, places to eat right here. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.